Hi, it's Liz Snedden. Let's have a look at how we do fractions on the graphical calculator. So the first thing I want you to understand is the way that it is displayed on this. So when we use a fraction there, it is displayed looking like this. So where you have that little elbow, what that means, that is the division line between the numbers. So 1 elbow 2 is the same as 1 over 2 as a fraction. Okay, so that's just understanding that. Now what we need to be able to do is have a little play. So, let me just clear that screen. So I'm in my normal run mode and we've got the button here ABC. So that is our fraction button. So in order to use that, I might write a fraction as 1, fraction 2, and if I press my execute button, that writes the fraction there in that form 1 over 2. Now if I had a fraction 5 over 10, hopefully we can recognise that that's the same as a half. And so when I press the equals or execute, it simplifies it automatically to a half for me. So that's quite useful, that the calculator will simplify fractions for us. Now what if I had a bigger number? So I might write down 2 fraction 1 fraction 3. What that means is 2 whole and 1/3. So when I press equals, that turns it into what we call a improper fraction, where the number on the top is bigger. If I would rather it be in a mixed form, then if I press shift and the F to D button here, then that changes it back to that 2 wholes and 1/3. So if I get 2 little elbows there showing, then the number at the front is the whole number. Now they also have a form here. I'm going to delete that. If I want to turn that fraction into a decimal, then I've got this F to D button, F for fraction, D for decimal. So say I did 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 equals, and it gives me the answer there as a fraction, and I'd rather it is in decimal form. If I press the F to D button, it changes it to 1.25. If I press it again, it'll go backwards and forwards between a decimal and a fraction form. So the same as if I had a decimal answer, 0.2 times 0.6 equals. I want to try and get that as a fraction. If I press the F to D button, it will turn that into a fraction for me. So it can go both ways. Okay, thanks very much for watching.